you want to use site.google.com on your phone, when you click on the website like this, you must put your phone on desktop site mode. I think mine is like that already. Okay, yes, this is this place. You just check it. Yes, that's desktop site mode. So it makes it look like you are working on the computer. So like I said, you can pick templates here, although this one does not have a lot of templates, just as that of Canva. And if you want to start from scratch, you can pick on blank websites like this. You can pick on this. Now to type here, the major problem with using phone is to type here, you might type one thing and it becomes double. Let me check it out and you see what I'm trying to talk about. Okay, this one worked. Let me reduce the font through this place. I can do the formatting of what I typed from here. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the font. No, I want to reduce the font first. It is 64. I want to change the font to 60. Okay, it's still 64. Let me copy it. I'm going to copy it. Okay, now I'll change it to 60. Okay, can you see that now? Now let's click on it again. Then I can bold it. I can do everything I want. So when I'm done with this and I want to add another thing, depending on what I want to add, I can choose any of these ones. In case you want your website to have form, you will go to forms here. You go to forms here and then click on forms. And of course, with Google Forms, you can create your form. Now I have some forms here that I have created. Assuming you don't have a form that you want to use, you can open another page entirely. Let's quickly do that. You can open another page entirely and type docs dot, okay, can you see this one? docs.googleform.com. You click on it, it will open up a page where you can, let's say you want to create a contact form. You don't need to click on the blank form, just come to contact form, edit it as you would want to, and when you are done editing, you just close it. Okay, let's say I have edited this one to what I want. Let's say here I want to change this one to take details. Okay, and then you can use this one to view it, how it will look like. Okay, so this is your form. Now let me just go back to my website. So can you see the form I just created? This is it here. So I can just click on it and then I'll click on insert. The insert button is here, so I'll click on the insert to insert the form. It's going to bring the form. Okay, so here is the form. Drag it out to show it properly. Okay, so that's the form. And if you want to add a document, you can come here to click on your docs. If you want to add map, here is map. You want the map to show your address, this is it. Okay, if you want to add a link from YouTube, now let's say I want to come down here, I want to add the link. I'm going to click on YouTube now. I'll go to uploaded. Let's see if I have videos I have uploaded. Okay, look at these videos. These are the videos I have on the YouTube channel connected to this Gmail I am using. So you must be sure that the Gmail you are using for your website is having the video on YouTube for that particular Gmail as well, so that everything can correlate. Because if you are using a particular Gmail and you don't have a YouTube account that is having the video you want to use, it will be a double task for you. So I'm going to pick on this sanguine temperament video. I'll click on it. Okay, then I'll click on select, so it will bring the video here. So anybody that visits my website can watch this video. Now let's say I want to insert some pictures to my website and I would like to tag it. I can choose, if the pictures I want to put is 4, I can do that. But if I want 3, I can choose this one that is 3. Then I'll click on the picture, I'll click on upload. Then I can click on, let's say, this. Okay, okay, that's a picture. Let me pick another picture. Let's say this. Done. Then this other one, I would like to pick a picture. Upload. I'll let me go to my browser and see other pictures that I would love to use. Okay. Let's go to screenshots. I think. Okay, yeah, I want to use this one. So if these are the pictures I want to use and I'm good to go. Now if I want to have some pictures and then put maybe a price tag or label or something, I can go for these ones. Can you see? I'll put the pictures, and here I'm able to put the price. Let's say I want to put, this one is a snack, let's say chin chin. I'm just using example. And then I want to put the price. Let's see. I can change the picture, the okay, this is one of the problems with using phone. It will be changing to what you don't want at times. Okay, as I've shown you how to put picture, so you understand that already. All right, so let's say you want to add a link. You want to put a link in your website. How do you do that? You can use maybe a button. Yes, insert a button, put your call inside or contact, whatever you want to put inside. Then you copy the link and put the link here. Then you click on this insert. Presently I do not have the link I want to put, so I'll just keep this. But if you have a link, you copy the link and paste it here, then you click on insert. So what did I use to do that? Button. I used button here to achieve that. Okay, if you have multiple pictures that you want them to be collapsible, you can use this one. You have multiple pictures that you want them to be collapsible, you can use this one. You can put your social media links through this one. If you click on it, you can put your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, and what have you. You can also put your calendar using this one, and then you can put your map also here. You can put your slides here, you can put your sheets, you can put your charts, whatever you want to put, you can put it there. Let's say you have exhausted this page and you would like to create another page. You can come to this place. Look at this place, pages. So I'll click on it, and then you come here, can you see? You click on the plus sign, and then you click on new page. Now you name your new page. Now I want to name this about us. So you can put your about us on this particular page now. So how do you do that? Just go back to insert. After you have created this one, come back to this insert here, so you can insert whatever you want to use this page for. Can you see that? So you can drag in your text and put your text here. We are a publishing firm. So just put, then you format it appropriately with the tools here. Is that okay? Then another thing, you can put, okay, I've mentioned links. I think, what else do I need to mention? You can check the how it's going to look like. This is the preview, just like the one we saw on Canva. This is the preview. Now this place, click on how it will look like on mobile phone, how it will look like on tablet, and how it will look like on laptop. Okay, so I'm going to use, can you see? This is on mobile phone. So to see the home, I'll click on these three other buttons, click on the home, and check what it looks like. Can you see? This is what it looks like. Okay, when you are done, you close it. All right, so that is that. Here is where you can copy the link to your website, but for now, because we have not published it, we cannot copy the link. Now how do we publish it? We click on this publish. Now before we click on publish, let's see themes. See themes. This is the present one we are using. This particular one is the one we are using. Let me click on this one and see that. Can you see that everything here changed? And then you can put the logo of your business. Can you see add logo? You can add logo from there. I have a logo I can add. Let me go and look for it. Download. Okay, here's my logo. Can you see? So I've added logo, then I'll close that one. I've added logo. Can you see my logo here now? So that is that. Anyone you can choose from this theme. After choosing the theme, you can click on any of these color fill to change the color. You can change the color to any color of your choice. It's up to you. Then you come back to insert again to continue your designing if you are not done. In case you did something and you want to undo it, you can come to this one, or you want to redo, you can click on this one. Okay, I think I've shown you all the features. When you are done with all of that, you can now click on publish. So here you enter your publish address. Me, I'm going to enter Treflow Tech. Okay, that name is available, Treflow Tech. Let me increase it so you can see. So the name of my website will be Treflow Tech, like this. This is what it will look like. You can actually buy a custom domain name if you don't want this site.google to show. Make it easier for people to visit sites. You can buy another one. Yes, you can buy another one. You just here put custom domain name, and then you click on manage. Then, but you can use this free one for as long as you want to. Yes, you can use this one. If you want to use custom domain name, it means you have to pay for a domain name. You can use different ones, such that it will just be treflowtech.com. It won't have this Google site on it, but you can make do with this till when you are able to pay for a domain name. Then you click on publish. You click on publish. So now that my site has been published successfully, I can now come here to copy the link. I can now come here to copy the link. So I will come here. Now here is the link. Here is the link to my website. Can you see? I'll just copy the link, and then I can decide to go and use tinyurl to cover up the site.google, so that people won't know that I created this website with site.google. Okay, so that is that for now. Any other updates regarding this, I'm going to post it as soon as possible. Please subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you.